What's up, guys? Brendan here. Just want to do a quick little video review of these lights I got off of Amazon. I'm going to be putting them in my 2012 Mustang GT. Currently got tires off in the front right now. Gonna put some lightweight race brakes up there, but figured I'd give these a shot. I was gonna do some Diode Dynamics HIDs, but I've heard good things about these, and I figured I'd give them a shot. So I'm gonna just do a quick little unboxing video and do a before and after, and try and, I mean, I got the lights on in here, but with the door shut over there, it's it'll be pretty dark in here. So I mean, we'll be able to tell a decent difference. So anyway, all right, you open it up, and these boxes are really nice, super sturdy. Open it up, well, whatever that is. Packaging's super nice. I mean, that the foam's cut out. Lights look to be like really good quality. Like, you know what I mean? They got really nice connectors on the end of them. This braided wire loom. The lights themselves have a fan on the back. These are LEDs, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Nice heat sink down here at the bottom, really big, so hopefully that'll help cooling. And it's lights on three sides of these. Look to be, you know, made really nice. So I guess we'll see if we can get them in here and do a little before and after real quick. I did get the headlights and fog lights. They have 3 different color options. I believe it's like a 8K, a 6K, and a 5K. Your 8K would be your blue. I got 6K, which is going to be your white, and then your 5K, I want to say, is going to be the little yellowish one. And all kinds of different sizes, as you can see here. So we're going to throw these in and do a quick little comparison, and maybe in about a week or so, do a little review recap. Alright guys, this is the stock 2012 GC halogen bulb, and we'll throw these new Stark lights in and see how they look. Alright you guys, I ended up taking the bumper off the car. Reason because is I was having a little trouble getting the new lights inside the headlights, so I had to take the bumper off to remove the headlights. So I found what it was. Let's see. So this one here is the stock lock ring on the new LED headlights. So, you know, I knew I was lining the lock tabs up correctly inside the hole here. So the problem that I found is, if you look right here on the edges, the lock ring itself is actually a little too wide. The little tabs that you use to spin it once you get it in place. So you can't put it in, you know, perfectly straight. I'll try and give you an overhead view here. See how it's like, it's just too wide? So all I did was I took that little pair of dikes right there, and I just snipped right off on the edge there. And let's see, line our tabs up. Falls right into place. Give her a spin, and she's locked in. Good to go. That was another thing too. I thought it was pretty cool that these LED headlights, the lock ring will actually come off of them, and you can see those little lock tabs right there on the light O-ring here, and then there's also a gasket right here on the lock ring that you know, that'll keep moisture and stuff like that out. So then all you're gonna do is just stick your light in, find it where, there you go, drops in place, turn it to the right, and she's locked in. Alright, so I'm gonna throw this back in the car, do the other one, and then we'll do some comparison on the light output and everything. Hard to get a direct comparison here. Still got the lights on and everything, but I mean, just by looking at it in the front end, I decided to just wait and do one and then compare it to the other. I mean, you can clearly see that the one on the left there, or the passenger side of the car, my left, is extremely brighter, and I mean, it's the perfect color temperature looking at it. I already got the fog lights in. It's going to be a little harder to see those. Have the bumper just kind of sitting on my tires there. Yeah, I mean, the light output is way higher. I don't know the exact lumens or anything like that, but so far, definitely impressed. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I mean, right off the bat, I don't even have the bumper back on, so I mean, the bumper's deflecting some of the light going that way. I got the lights off and the door of the shed closed. It's still 7:45 here, and I mean, there's plenty of light outside, a couple of windows in the shed, and I mean, this is still putting out an extreme amount of light. I mean, I just know that I'm gonna get flashed going down the road, and this is low beams. I haven't even tried the high beams yet. So let's flip the high beams on real quick and see. Okay. Don't really see a whole lot of difference there. The light beam, it's probably gonna be kind of hard to see because of the dirty ass skylights, but the beam on the ceiling does actually move. I don't think the video is picking it up that well. But anyway, definitely a little difference there. Looks about the same output, but it does still cut the fog lights off like it's supposed to and everything. So I'm gonna throw the bumper back on and get a finished up look, and just got everything back together. And like I said, these things are just way brighter than stock. I can't wait to get the brakes back on and get this thing back on the road, give it a drive at night, and really see how it increased the visibility, because I'm 100% sure that this is going to be way better than what was in there. I just probably give this a product a 9 out of 10. I mean, everything was pretty straightforward. The only thing that I will say is I did have to make it fit, so I had to cut those little tabs a little bit. I mean, it wasn't hard. Another thing is I had to really push on the connectors on the LED bulbs. Probably won't be able to see that one. This one here, I put some dielectric grease in them just to be sure I got a good connection still. I never got a really good, satisfying click when I pushed the two connectors together. They are locked in, however. So that, and having to modify the lock tabs is my only gripe. Fog lights, no trouble at all. Fog lights went right in, locked right in. I mean, it looks great. So once again, once I get the brakes back on the car, the new brakes, I'll give it a drive at night, and I might do a response to this video or something, but just kind of maybe do a nighttime driving video with these lights. Once again, they're Stark light LEDs. I mean, they have 3 different colors, multiple different bulb options. I mean, if you know what size bulb is in your car, then you can find it. Get one for yours. Highly recommend them. But yeah, so go check them out. And hope you guys like this video. Appreciate you watching, and maybe I'll start doing a little more of these. I'm not sure. But you guys take it easy.